Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly draw others to them? Do you wish you could be the one being chased instead of always doing the chasing? It's a common desire, and it might be simpler than you think to turn the tables. We often yearn for the feeling of being wanted. But remember, without self-love and self-acceptance, no amount of attention from others will fill that void. It's all about balance. So today, let's dive into 4 powerful ways to make anyone chase you. First, let's talk about mystery. Why is it that mysterious people often seem so attractive? Consider the character of Severus Snape from the Harry Potter series. Despite his silent and detached demeanor, he has an army of fans devoted to him. What's the secret behind his appeal? Studies show that mystery is closely linked to fascination. When we encounter something unfamiliar, our natural curiosity drives us to learn more. This instinct dates back to early humans who needed to explore and understand their surroundings to survive. A mysterious person represents a potential source of new knowledge and excitement, making them irresistibly intriguing. To add mystery to your life, try dialing back on social media and focusing more on your hobbies and goals. Practice active listening, shifting the spotlight to others rather than yourself. This subtle shift can make people more curious about you, sparking their desire to know more. Next, let's discuss the impact of physical appearance. Have you ever been drawn to someone simply because of how they look? There's no shame in it. Good looks often attract attention. Studies show that we tend to associate physical attractiveness with positive traits like intelligence and kindness, which can lead to better social and professional opportunities. Consider the series Ugly Betty, where the main character, Betty Suarez, transforms from a bullied, unfashionable girl into a stylish and confident woman. His new appearance changes how others perceive and treat him, highlighting the powerful role looks can play in our lives. Boosting your self-esteem is key. Confidence in your abilities and appearance can make a significant difference. Maybe you need a new haircut or a fresh wardrobe. Embrace a lifestyle that makes you feel empowered and self-assured. This includes practicing good hygiene, dressing well, and expressing yourself confidently. Regular exercise and a balanced diet can also enhance your self-esteem and overall appeal. Our third tip is to keep yourself busy. An active and fulfilling schedule can make you more attractive. This isn't about playing hard to get or engaging in mind games. Rather, it's about enriching your life with meaningful activities. Fill your time with hobbies, exercise, and social events. Whether it's hiking, going to the gym, or attending parties, staying active allows you to meet new people and expand your social circle. A busy, fulfilled life naturally draws others to you. Lastly, be the best version of yourself. Everyone is unique and different qualities attract different people. Whether you're an introvert, extrovert, or somewhere in between, there's always room for self-improvement. Authenticity is crucial. Instead of pretending to be someone you're not, identify the traits you admire and incorporate them into your life. If you value physical fitness, make exercise a priority. If you admire confidence, practice self-affirmations and work on your self-esteem. Remember, we are all works in progress. Have you ever found yourself chasing someone? What qualities drew you to them, and how did it turn out? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you know someone who might enjoy this video, please share it with them. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more content like this. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.